In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a KPI in Power BI. Now, the first thing you have to do here, you want to, of course, open up a page, and then you want to put on under visualizations here, you can see this KPI. So click on it, and then you can, of course, position it wherever you want it here. I'm going to make it a bit bigger so we can see better. There we go. And then when you do that, you, of course, need some data as well. Now, I have some sample data loaded in from Power BI over here from the desktop version. So I'm going to go into financials over here, and we're going to play around with this a bit, and I'm going to try to show you how to actually achieve this. Now, whenever I click on this KPI over here, as you can see, I have to put on three things. So the value, the trend axis, and then the target, okay? So for the values right now, over here, we're going to do profit. Of course, you can do whatever you want depending on your data. I'm just going to put on some profit. There we go. And then for the trend axis, what I'm going to do here is put on date, okay? Because I want profit over time. So I'm going to do a date over here. There we go, and it's already showing, and as you can see right now, it's showing 2.03 million. However, I can't do nothing with this data because there's actually no target, okay? So if there's no target, then that doesn't really make sense, so we also have to make a target. Now, if you don't have it in here yet, what you can do is go ahead and just create it. So for example, let's say our target was 1 million. I can go ahead and right click here on profit and do a new measure, and then in here, it's going to create a new measure, and then I can just go ahead and rename this from measure to target, and then equal, and then I'm going to do 1 million. Just like this. And if I now press the enter key, there we go, I can now go ahead and put this on the target, and as you can see, it's now showing a check mark because, well, we've reached our goal and even doubled it. Okay, so it says plus 100% and a bit more than that. Now, of course, if the target was something else, for example, let's say the target was 5 million over here, it would turn red because yes, we did not perform as well, and then like around 60%, a bit less is missing over here. So that's basically how you can create a KPI visual, KPIs inside Power BI. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.